In today's video, all about whey protein and is it safe for you to consume. Proteins are the building blocks of our body. They help repair old cells and build new ones. They also help in synthesizing hormones and build our immune system. The common sources of proteins include eggs, soya balls, fish, chicken and red meats. The recommended daily intake of protein is 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight. However, I recommend this as a bare minimum. In people who are training, the requirement is even higher as they are breaking down their muscle at a much higher rate. Proteins are made up of amino acids. There are 26 amino acids in all, out of which 9 are essential amino acids. These 9 essential amino acids cannot be synthesized by the body, so you have to get it from your nutrition. If you notice, our regular nutrition is low in protein. I believe this is primarily because we are inclined to the fast food culture. Also, sources of protein tend to be more expensive. For example, chicken is more expensive than rice. Fish is more expensive than beans. And yes, I have mentioned beans on purpose. Beans, dals and peanuts are not primary sources of protein. Coming to what is whey protein. Whey is the colorless liquid left behind while separating the curds. If you notice a container of curds, the liquid on top is the whey. Earlier cheese makers used to discard this whey until the health benefits of whey was discovered. The colorless whey liquid is dried and we know that as whey protein powder. The whey protein powder itself is tasteless. It is therefore flavored with different flavors like chocolate, strawberry and vanilla which come to mind. Whey protein itself comes in 3 forms. Concentrate, which is the regular whey with flavor. Isolate, which is a purified form of whey concentrate which has a higher ratio of protein to carbohydrate. And hydrolysate, which has almost no carbohydrate and fat. So should you include whey protein in your nutrition? If you cannot hit your daily protein goals, by all means. But remember, it is just a supplement. Most of your protein should come from regular food. Whey protein just adds to your daily nutrition. I remember way back when I was young, people used to look at whey protein with very suspect eyes. It was probably because most of the packaging at the time had a picture of a buff bodybuilder and people automatically assumed that it contained some performance enhancing drug. Whey protein is safe for people of all ages. I recommend it for people who train regularly and especially for older people who are at risk of muscle degeneration. It should not be consumed by people who are suffering from kidney disease. But remember that whey protein does not cause kidney disease. Some people also have bloating and diarrhea after consuming whey protein. This is probably connected to their lactose intolerance. I personally use whey protein to make some super awesome desserts. And if you'd like to check them out, please add me to your Instagram. I frequently post the pics there. You also get protein powders from vegan sources if that interests you. Just make sure that you pick up your protein powder from a trusted and reputable source. I hope this video provided you with some value and debunked some myths surrounding whey protein powders. If you liked this video, please do consider subscribing. And I'll be seeing you in the next video. Signing out, Dr. Rohan Kanfreka.